logo here, this settings logo here. Then once you are done, find your way to this fourth option here. Come to account and security, which is the tap on the icon there. Is going to bring out this page. Is not going to delete the account simply because that the account has violated the Xianyu terms and condition. You're asking for supplier's contact. It will be as if you are spamming the account, so they will block your account. Unable to cancel normally due to violations. I told you there is violations, and without us lifting these violations, we won't be able to use the account. So it says restrictions can be lifted in these following ways. So they give you two options to lift the restrictions. If I tap it, this will pop up. Boom. I think the restrictions is now successful. With this, I've clicked on the yellow guy there. Has been lifted on our account automatically, guys, automatically. So I'm going to click on return now. Hello beautiful set of people, welcome back to another edifying tutorial. Of course, my name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is Zionhublogistics Limited. So what you want to do to join our community is to smash the subscription bell, like the video. The more you like it, the more YouTube SEO is going to recommend it to other people to do what, to view, and for them to also see this video on YouTube. So do what, to like the video. In today's tutorial, I'm quickly going to be sharing with you how you can lift a violation on your accounts. Now, violation is quite different from restrictions, right? Now, this is a old account of mine. I've been using this account now for I think 2 years. So they restricted it. I mean, they said I violated, maybe I think a seller. Let me go to my chart. I think a seller reported my account. You can see here that this was when this account was reported, around on the August. No, is it August now? I think January this year, earlier this year. So I was unable to chat supplier. You can see here, this is the error message I will keep getting, and this is not authentication. It does not have anything to do with authentication at all. If I'm to go to this supplier as well, check this message again, you will see that it's still the same thing. I was unable to still chat with supplier. I have chatted with customer service times without number, but they could not resolve it. Not until this night that I was unable to provide a permanent solution to it. And how do you get this permanent solution? For you to clean and wipe all these violations on your account. It's very simple, guys. Just come to your settings here. Okay, once you come to settings, find your way to this logo here, this settings logo here. Then once you are done, find your way to this fourth option here. Once you find your way to this first option, I was supposed to use Google Translator, but for you that could not get it, just screenshot, go to your Google Translator. Then you want to upload this guy here, so you are going to use this guy to upload it. So this is it here. You are going to come to account and security, which is the fourth option, right? So you click on account and security. After clicking on account and security, it's going to take you to this page, right? So if I'm to screenshot this page, come to this page here, then upload this guy. You will see here we have different types of things you want to know here. So under it, we are going to come to, I wanted to delete the account. So that is when you come to this cancel account. So you find your way to cancel account, right? You do as if you want to delete the account. Okay, so once you click on cancel account, it's going to take you here. Once it takes you here, just click on this guy here. Once you tap on the icon there, it's going to bring out this page. It's not going to delete the account simply because that the account has violated the Xianyu terms and condition. Now, what do I mean by Xianyu terms and condition? Xianyu have times and condition, in the sense that if you violated any of their policies, you won't be able to trade on the app. Like when you're asking for supplier's QR code, or when you're asking for supplier's contact, it will be as if you are spamming the the account. So they will block your account. A popular reason why they always ban an account on xainyu, or close an account, or give it a temporary restriction or permanent restrictions, is simply because when you want to chat with supplier, or if a supplier even reported your account directly, that's a very big problem. So which is part of what I'm facing. Okay, so now let's go and translate this page. Let's go and translate what this means. Let's go to our Google Translator. So now this is my Google Translator here. You can see it says account cancellation failed. So it says currently there is no record of restricted access. I mean, there is a record of restricted access, and this requirement for cancellation are not met at this time. Go check. So they are telling me that I'm presently restricted from using the app. I've violated their terms and conditions, so they cannot cancel this account. So I need to go and check. So let's go back now to go and check. So we are going to click on this go and check now, where I'm presently circling here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this next page here. So it's going to bring you here. After it brings you here, now let me screenshot this page and go to my Google Translator to translate and show you what this page is simply saying. And this is the two available solutions to lift the restrictions, right? Upload this page here. So I'm going to upload this page. So now it says, this page says unable to cancel normally due to violations. You know, I told you there is violations, and without us lifting these violations, we won't be able to use the account. So it says restrictions can be lifted in these following ways. So they give you two options to lift the restrictions. It says way one, which is appeal a violation. The restrictions will be lifted if the appeal is successful. If you want to appeal, you go and appeal. That is the first option to appeal on xainyu. Now the second option says lift offending restrictions directly. So this offending restriction simply means that the offense that you do, that you offend them, if you want them to help you lift it directly without going through this first option here, then you can just click on this way too by clicking on to lift. So once you click on to lift, it's just a one click. Once you click on it directly, it's going to automatically lift the restrictions for you. So we are going to be following this option one, right? We are going to be following this option one, which is to lift. So let me go back to my idle fish and click on to lift. Once I tap here, it's still going to be confirming. Like, this is in form of confirming that am I sure that I want to follow through the routine check of what the second violation. So let me screenshot this, go to my Google Translator to update you. So I'm going to just translate here. So it says to lift, apply to lift legal restrictions in accordance to cyber security law and article 10 to 17 of the regular blah 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 blah. The first one says keep record of violation. This platform will retain a record of your account violation. Then the second one says limit re-registration. The identity information and mobile number associated with this account will be restricted and will not be able to use to create a new account on this platform in the future. So that is to tell you that this number that is linked to this account presently, you won't be able to use it to create a new account. So if you're okay with it, just check in this box and click on lift restrictions, which is what we are going to be doing now. So I'm going to tap this yellow icon here, and once I tap it, this will pop up. So boom, I think the restrictions now is now successful. With this, I've clicked on the yellow guy there, and it has automatically it has automatically lifted. So let me translate this page and see what we'll have. Let's upload this guy here and see. So boom, violation restrictions has been lifted on our account automatically, guys, automatically. So I'm going to click on return now. So that's how to lift restriction basically on idle fish. So your account will now be permanently free from these restrictions, from banning, violation and the like. So now you can start messaging your suppliers. You can start using your accounts normally like before. Okay, so I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. If you find value in watching today's tutorial, kindly like the video, share it, subscribe, and do what? Don't forget to like our videos. So thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial. Bye and peace out.